Good morning, folks. This is Andy of Andy's Builderall team, aka the Bangkok blacksmith, retired blacksmith that is. Look, what I'm doing here, excuse me, is I'm demonstrating mailing boss. Now, I'm just going to save and exit. Save and exit. Okay, so this is actually, I think this is the first email in this series. I don't know. Does it give you any indication? It doesn't actually tell you there. But so I'll just go into the HTML editor because I prefer that. This looks alright. I think I've actually given that a bit of a run through. I'll see what that leads to. Yes, that's mine, so that's okay. Okay, so save and next. And this is very handy, you know, like we're all a bit new, so, you know, you may have put in some emails that you weren't entirely happy with. So you can go back and you can check them out. Now, look, I've got 8 pages here, so we just go back here and that was the one we just looked at. Now, day 2 is paused too, so let's have a look at that. So to look at that, it has to be paused because you can't do anything to it when it's in the sending mode like that. So day 2 is paused. Now we go here, update, scroll down a bit, save and next, save and next. Oh, I didn't like that. I saw something I didn't like then. So we'll just see if we can go back here. Now this isn't good. I don't want that. That has to be changed. And it's very important. That has to be my professional email, not this Gmail account. So we got Andy there, right. So save and next. And we go into the HTML editor. Yes, well this isn't good. I don't like that at all. So Command A on a Mac. And as I say, I like to have continuity. So there we're in typewriter mode. Now I've buttoned it all over onto the left there, but the size is going to be 22, which is a bit smaller. Now I wanted to bring it out a bit, so I'll just click on here. 1, 2, 3, that'll do me. Okay. Now bring it all up there. It's quite a long email. I think this could have been James. Well, no, Andy. Yeah, I'll borrow it. We're all in the same game. Andy here. Hope you're having an amazing day. Not too bad. Like wrapping the long lines. Yes. I do too. Build your list. I'll just shove that up there a bit. As I say, wrapping long lines. I like Bob Parsons, so I'm going to add one of his. Don't let those results. bit of tricky editing here. Let's have a look. Okay. Yes, I'm a fan of Bob Parsons. You know, he's from GoDaddy. He was. And size. Let's see if that worked. It did. I'll do it. Never give up. Send test. Successfully sent to Andy at Bangkok-blacksmith.space. Okay, so now we can save it next. Look, it's there already. I'll tell you what. That's a bit weird, the font, but never mind. You can always change that. Maybe it's a little bit too big. Using a professional email. It's been sent. If it's anything like the last one, that was just like rocketed in. We'll check out the mail situation. Oh, well, there's another one there. Oh, it's the same one. 10:36, yeah, it's just come in. Well, I'm going to have to pause things there because for some reason it just looked a bit screwed. Well, the links are all working. Okay, well, it's still... I made the text a bit smaller. And this is the test. So, yeah, I don't know, it's readable. All the links are working. Okay, well, I'll sign off now with the Rickapoody and a Bandoogley, and I'll catch you on the flip side.